Well, we have breaking news coming in at the moment, and this is in regard to the BCCI. It is Rajiv Shukla who has now been named, in fact, named as the president, the interim president of the BCCI before the elections that will be held in the month of September. So the interim president has been named Rajiv Shukla. This is the BCCI that has now held a meeting, and this is a meeting that has been held in order to decide that Rajiv Shukla will be taking over as the acting BCCI chief till September, till the polls are held in this regard. So breaking news coming in of BCCI making that announcement in regard to Rajiv Shukla, who will now in fact be the interim president of the BCCI. Well, this is as the former India pacer Roger Binny is no longer the BCCI president. It's Rajiv Shukla who has, who has been serving as the vice president of the board, has taken charge as the acting chief until the next elections. And this is a meeting that decided as far as Shukla's leadership is concerned, and this is the meeting that decided that up until elections that will be taking place. And this, of course, comes at a very crucial time, because we do know that the Asia Cup is going to start in a few days' time from now. We have Rika Roy joining us in order to get us the latest. Rika, take us through the popularity and the decision that's been taken in this particular regard as far as the popularity is concerned of Rajiv Shukla. And now, of course, this is an interim phase. But, what are the chances of this becoming the case even during the elections that are coming up as far as September is concerned?
Well, Divya, let's talk about what's happening in the present. So Rajiv Shukla became BCCI's interim chief the day Roger Binny turned 70, and he resigned from the president of BCCI because under the previous law, the officials could only officiate in their office till 70 years of age, but now under the new sports code, they can go on to be in their office till 75 years. And because the law was there back then, that Roger Binny resigned, and the person who was the senior most after him to take over matters of BCCI was Rajiv Shukla. Hence, Mr. Shukla, the senior most vice president of BCCI, took over the reins of BCCI in July, but not until day before yesterday did he sign any papers, did he deliberate any duties. Day before yesterday was the first time when he was there at an Apex Council meeting. And this situation of an interim presidentship is going to last for another 20-25 days till the elections in BCCI are done, and BCCI is going to go ahead with its elections in September. Even though the sports code is going to take some time to be implemented, it will take about 5 to 6 months from now, but BCCI is going to go ahead with the elections. So far as Rajiv Shukla returning as the president is concerned, we really don't know, but the popular consensus is for Mr. Binny to continue.
Right, but of course, the reason he has stepped down is because of that age restriction rule that is in place. But take us through, when are the elections expected, and who are the top contenders here?
Divya, the age thing will not be an impediment now, because under the new sports code, anyone who is till the age of 75 can officiate in their office. So Mr. Roger Binny can come back to become the president of BCCI once again after the September elections. As of now, as we talk, Mr. Binny is an overwhelming favorite, but things very, very quickly change in BCCI. We have seen things changing overnight, and whenever there is a BCCI election, there is a lot of intrigue, there's a lot of drama that plays out before it, and so we'll really have to wait and watch.